In today's video, we're going to explore the tool of Central Access Reader. Now, the Central Access Reader is a fantastic option for when we need to have our math read out loud accessibly. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so I can keep bringing you the most up-to-date accessibility content. With that said, let's jump right in. I have a sample math document that was built from Microsoft Word, and the first thing I'm going to do is launch the Central Access Reader, and I will provide a download link in the description of this video. Now, the first thing that we want to do is open up a Word document. So to do that, I'm going to select the plus button and then find my math document that I want opened. Let's go ahead and maximize the screen here. And what it does is it has a list of headings on the left-hand side where we can navigate to the individual components of this document. We have a Pages tab if there was more than one page. And what we can do is begin reading this document. So to do that, I'm going to select the play button.
The following equations using the quadratic formula. Begin fraction negative, b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a end fraction. Question 1. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Question 2. 7x squared minus 3x plus 3 equals 0.
We can select the pause button. We also have settings over here where we can adjust the different aspects of the voice. For example, we can make it speak faster, we can turn up the volume, and we could also adjust things like the pause length. Additionally, we have the ability to change from two different voices, and we have the ability to set the different style of math that the Central Access Reader will engage with. So we have calculus, general, geometry, linear algebra, logic, and statistics. Additionally, we can tag things like an image or math. Let's go back to our headings element. This will allow us to navigate throughout the content. Now, if we wanted to, we could save all of this content into an MP3 file. So this is a fantastic way for generating accessible math as an audio file. Also, this tool is free to download. In the top right corner, we have additional features like opening up documents or reviewing some of the content from within an HTML file. There are shortcuts that you can use for reading, stop reading, zooming, etc. You can create MP3 files, and we could even view the math in MathML. So this tool really is ideal for students that need access to an accessible math reader. It can be used as a very strong workflow software for people with disabilities to access different documents that may or may not contain math in them. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your personal accessibility expert. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.